Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the serpentine belt on Volkswagen Jetta. Okay, this one will be the same for Golf 4th generation. We're demonstrating on the 1.8 turbo engine. Stay with us to see how we're going to do that, and don't forget to subscribe for one new video every day. Alright guys, so we are going to need a 15mm wrench in order to remove the serpentine belt. Okay, you don't need a socket, you need a wrench. And now let me show you exactly. Okay, that's the tensioner pulley. It goes on that on top of the tensioner pulley, and now we need to go clockwise, and it's going to release the belt. Okay, you can see how much we gained now. Okay, let me see now. You need to go ahead, grab it and pull it out of the alternator first, and that is a pretty tight fit here, or the AC compressor, one of the two. Okay, you can see on the bottom. We'll just pull it out of the AC compressor now, and the bed will come out. Okay, just like that. And you can release the pressure now. You don't need to hold the tensioner pulley anymore. And now you need to work your way around it and pull it out of the crankshaft on the bottom. And this is the belt. It's a double-sided belt, as you know. As you can see, it has grooves on both sides. So stay with us now to see how we're going to install it, and we'll also show you the serpentine belt diagram so you can see it yourself. Alright guys, now we're ready to install the serpentine belt, and what we did, we actually had to put a new timing belt in that thing today. So we haven't put it back together, everything yet. As you can see, the engine mount is out of the way, so we can show you exactly how to put the serpentine belt. We have more room to shoot the video, guys. And what you need to do, you need to start on the bottom one on the crankshaft, then go to the power steering pump. From the power steering pump you will need to go to the alternator. Okay, right there. But this will be last, because now you first need to go to that tensioner pulley right here, and the alternator you need to leave it for last. Okay, as you can see, that's the diagram right there. The left one is a crankshaft pulley, this one is power steering. Okay, this one is the AC, and this one is the alternator. And now again with that same wrench, 15mm, you need to go clockwise. You can see how much we gain on the belt now, and you need to install it on the alternator now on the top. Make sure it goes in the canals there, in the grooves, and you are ready to release it now, and the serpentine belt is installed, guys. So that's how it is, pretty simple, not complicated at all. So here is the diagram again if you need it, guys. Thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.